Hello gourmet friend, welcome back to the program. Thank you very much for the viewer who return to my humble channel and welcome back to the new one. I am the French chef Gerard Garbet, now retired and passing my knowledge to younger generation. Alors today a delicious recipe, the lemon sorbet givré. Thanks to well-known Master Chef Pâtissier Gaston Lenotre. He is a creator of the opera cake, the opera gâteau. He sadly left us in 2009, but he left a legacy in his patisserie. Today, this incredible fresh lemon sorbet, I'll be trying it. Oh, look. It's smooth, it's creamy, and it tastes delicious. You will see why in 5 minutes. Then, this delicious sorbet will be perfect for this summer. I am telling you. And remember, if you like this recipe, thumbs up. Also subscribe to my humble channel. Thank you. And click this bell, you will never miss my next video. Okay? Without further ado, let's squeeze the lemon. It will be perfect for this summer, this beautiful recipe of lemon sorbet. Firstly, it's very easy to do because there's only 4 ingredients: lemon, sugar, and egg, and water. And I put just a little bit of 4 drops only of vanilla essence. For the lemon, use a glossy lemon. We use the Australian one there, and very rich in juice. Now, for the eggs, use very fresh eggs. Be careful. We only use the white, but we don't want to get salmonella. And also use, if you can, filtered water or mineral water, and you'll have a better taste. Okay? No bleach flavor in your sorbet. That's what you want, the top quality. Now let's squeeze the lemon. Okay, alors firstly, wash well your lemons with the kitchen salt and rinse well to be sure you remove wax and pesticide if any. Now, to be able to stand the lemon, just cut a small section on the base. Now you can remove the top to make a nice little hat for decoration. Now you can squeeze the lemons to extract the maximum of juice. You can insert the base inside the lemon to avoid leakage of sorbet later on. With this type of ice maker, we need to freeze the container at least 4 hours in a freezer. Now we are making the syrup, syrup at 28 degrees Baumé. It's made with 200 grams of sugar and 200 ml of filtered water. It's better with filtered water or mineral water. Now you boil the syrup for 5 minutes. Okay, stirring with a whisk. And when your syrup is ready, you have to cool it down as soon as possible. The best is in a bowl with crushed ice and water. During this time, zest the lemon with a potato peeler without taking the bitter white part of the lemon. Now you can boil the zest with 125 ml of filtered water. When your lemons are well infused, using a strainer, discard the zest and keep the juice. Yeah, now you can cool down this lemon zest juice by adding it to your syrup and lemon juice. Yeah, now you can add 4 drops of vanilla essence to your preparation. Now you have to separate 1 very fresh egg, and we'll be keeping the white for the mixture. Okay, folks, now we're ready to churn the ice cream. I got this machine, very cheap from Aldi, in a 60 bags. Then I got my lemon juice from the ice. As you can see, it's at 0 degree, fantastic. Then, now I'm going to do the white of the eggs, okay, to mix with the juice, the lemon juice, which is cold, before to churn in a machine. Okay, the machine from Aldi. Okay. So you start on slow. Good. Okay, now we're going to mix a little bit of the syrup first. And now we can mix the whole juice. Good. Okay. Good. Now we're ready to churn the ice cream. I got my bowl from the freezer, and I'll be putting that inside. Put the machine. Good. Put the power on. Check the time. And what you have to do for you have to Now the machine has stopped. We're going to switch off. Oh, beauty. And see what's happened? Beautiful ice cream, beautiful texture. So this one we're going to put in a freezer now. Good little machine, very cheap and very efficient. That's it. Now you have to put that straight in the freezer. 4 hours later, you will be ready to fill up your frozen lemons. Use a small container with hot water to warm up the scoop. Now you can scoop easily the lemon sorbet and fill up carefully your frozen lemons. Now decorate your lemon sorbet the way you like. I show you 3 varieties of sorbet we used to serve in our restaurant in Geelong. Please let me know in a comment below which presentation would you prefer. Number 1 in a glass, number 2 in a lemon, or number 3 in a tulip biscuit. Thank you very much for giving me your advice. Okay guys, is our lemon finished? Okay. And as you can see, the nice little decoration. So see, it's very easy to do. it's fun. Okay, so now we're going to try. Oh. It tastes delicious. It's creamy, silky, and you know, we put these little white eggs and they give the creamy texture. There's no crystal. You have to be careful to have a good balance between the sugar and the water, otherwise you'll have crystal. It tastes delicious, and that will be a fantastic dessert for summer, for hot summer in Australia. It's coming soon, not today, but it's coming soon. Okay, if you like my video, if you like the taste of the lemon, thank you to put the thumbs up, and thank you for subscribing to my humble channel, and also don't forget to press the little bell. Okay, then you'll be notified of my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you very soon with exciting recipe. Ciao, bye bye, and bon appétit.